Hello, were you at our open house today? If not, fret not. Here's what you have missed out on.
Welcome to NY!
In NY, we have a wide range of CCAs and interest groups set up by our very own students. One unique SIG in NY is the Slime Club, where they mix slime together as a pastime. Here's what one of the members has to say.
I think Nanyang is the only JC right now that has Slime Lab as a CCA, and I think that's what makes us very unique. And that's why you should come join NY too.
Wow, the performances were great! Did you know that NY also offers international service learning expeditions? Charmaine shared about the memorable times they had with their children at an orphanage in Batam, and most importantly, learn how to appreciate the small things in life.
And one big takeaway that was common among our team was learning how to appreciate the small things around us. Seeing the joy that we bring to the children and how this ISL experience help us open our hearts and minds. We are certain that ISLE will only be the start of many of our volunteering journey.
Mr. Pang, what if our prospective J1s have more questions?
Oh, fret not. For parents and students who have missed our open house today, well, don't worry. There's going to be another session, the Principal's Dialogue, tomorrow, 13 January, from 9 AM to 10:30 AM. I'll be there, together with my panel of dedicated staff, to answer all your queries. So, see you in Nanyang soon!